Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by diagnosing the keyboard to find the core issue quickly. Restart your computer and test the keyboard on another computer or USB port. Try a different USB cable or wireless dongle to rule out a faulty connection. Boot into safe mode and test keys there to isolate software conflicts. Open Device Manager and inspect keyboards for driver errors or exclamation marks. Note whether the problem is hardware or software before proceeding to fixes. Power off the keyboard and unplug it before any cleaning or inspection. Remove keycaps gently using a keycap puller and store them in order. Use compressed air in short 1-second bursts to dislodge dust and crumbs. Inspect key switches for visible debris or corrosion and note any sticky keys. Lightly dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl and clean around each switch carefully. Allow the keyboard to dry for 10 minutes before reassembly and testing. Address software causes by updating or reinstalling the keyboard driver in Device Manager. After driver changes, fully restart the PC and retest all keys for glitches. If the keyboard has software, set its polling rate to 125 Hz and save settings to reduce input errors. Disable filter keys and sticky keys in accessibility settings to prevent accidental behavior. Adjust the key repeat delay and repeat rate to moderate values for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.